Hello, dear traders. Welcome to Trading Hero YouTube channel. My name is Oleg Prishepa. Let's start our weekly trading review. So our total profitability is plus 121%. For the last week, we managed to earn 1.39%, and October profitability is plus 5.31%. As you can see, we already started recovering the drawdown. So let's move to MetaTrader platform to see how we were trading during the last week. And the first currency pair in our review is GBP to USD. As you can see, we're not trading with this currency because the volatility is like quite high. We can switch to a daily time frame, and you can see that the number of days closed with the volatility from high to low higher than 2% like is still big. This week we had like 2 days like that, and it means that market still like has not recovered after this like the most biggest fall down in the history of GBP USD. And I think you all know that this week Liz Truss vacated the post of British Prime Minister after the failure of her tax cut program. And now we'll be waiting for new elections, for new prime minister and new program of economic development. So who knows what kind of surprises we're gonna have in the future, but still I don't think that they will make it worse than it that it already happened. So actually, like thanks to Liz, like for like getting the stop loss, she actually like ruined the economy, ruined our like strategy, and then said, okay, like I release like this post. So, but still, we we cannot change the past, but we can like change the future. So let's look forward to make more profits on other currency pairs and to recover our deposit till like Christmas and to make some profits, some extra profit in 2022. The next currency pair is British pound to Canadian dollar. We are already trading here because the volatility is not big. You also can see that we have this correction. We are decreasing for the whole week. And it's good because the movement is volatile, but volatility is not too high. So on Monday we had an opportunity to sell after this impulse right at the top of the last week. You can see like it was a very good trade. Then on the reversal movement after 1,000 pips of correction, we started buying. Then we averaged the first trade with the biggest one and closed both deal in total profit. Then after making a new, like retesting a new support level, we opened a position and closed it with profit. So now we're gonna wait for the market to retest the previous low to open a buying position or to like climb higher, maybe to retest the previous highs to open the like position to sell. The next currency pair is Australian to New Zealand dollar. On this currency, we have a downtrend, a local downtrend for 2 weeks. And as you can see, we are falling like for the previous week, we opened 2 trades. This week, we added like 3 trades. On a daily time frame, you can see that we had different combinations that are signalizing that the market may move in an opposite direction. First of all, we had 5 falling days in a row, then we had like one green day, but unfortunately, like we didn't like reach the take profit because the correction was not sufficient. Then we had like 3 fallen days, and we closed Friday with a green candle, so it's a good signal for the next upwards movement. We can see that we have a like a local trend. Let's wait for the market to show us the direction. We still have the opportunity to average the trades, and you can also see that we increased the distance between the fourth and the fifth orders, like to actually save our capital if we're gonna have some rapid movement. But so far everything is okay. Let's wait for the market to open and show us like the direction. I actually hope that we're gonna get this correction and close this deal on Monday. The next currency pair is New Zealand to Canadian dollar. We're climbing higher and higher, and on Friday we got to the previous resistance level, previous local high from the beginning of October. We were actually trading mostly like in selling direction because we have an uptrend, local uptrend here. On Monday we retested the previous resistance level and closed our deals with profit. We averaged them, then closed them with profit. Then when we had the like opposite movement and like retested the local low, we opened a buying position. Then we retested the local high and we like sold again. And um, then on Friday, we got to the like local high and like opened another selling position. So everything looks fine with this currency pair. So let's see what will happen the next week. And the last currency pair for today is Australian to Canadian dollar. As you can see, the situation is pretty similar to the one that we saw on Australian to New Zealand dollar. So we are in a downtrend, but in difference to Australian to New Zealand dollar, we have this like lateral movement. You can see that we didn't fall sufficiently. We were trying to retest the previous support level several times. We did it on like Wednesday, and then we did it on Friday, but still we managed to rise higher and actually close our buying position and show that Australian is like get prepared for the like correction on this currency pair. Why? Because if we don't break the local support level for several days, or in our case for 2 weeks, we didn't achieve any sufficient results. But by the like character of the candles, that you can see that we have like strong impulses on we had them on Thursday, on Friday. It means that buyers are getting stronger. So for this currency pair, we closed our bunch of trades we were gaining for the last week. Then we made one buying trade, then another one. Then we retested the previous highs and sold from here, closed our deal with profit, then bought. And finally on Thursday, on Friday, we made the same deals as on New Zealand to Canadian dollar. We have two selling trades after the impulse that was actually bigger than 1,000 pips, and in parallel, it has covered the like previous local highs. So everything seems to be okay with this currency pair. Let's see how we're gonna trade the next week. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I wish all of you successful trading and see you next Saturday. Bye.